JavaScript is IIFE? No. IIFE stands for Immediately Invoked Function Expression. It's a JavaScript function that runs as soon as it's defined. It has no name and is not stored in a variable. IIFEs are commonly seen in libraries where the entire codebase is wrapped inside of an IIFE. This prevents variables within the library from conflicting with variables outside of the library. IIFEs are generally used to avoid declaring variables in the global scope and to create closures. Here's an example of a normal function. Here we declare a function and then later call the function and pass it values, and it returns the product of those values. And here's the same function as an IIFE. Here we remove the function name, wrap the function in parentheses, then add parentheses to the end with the values we want to pass. The ending parentheses are actually what call the function. Note that this function can never be called again. The same function can also be written as an arrow function. Any values within the expression cannot be accessed from outside of the closure. Here you can see that within the IIFE, the name variable is Bob, but outside of the IIFE, the name variable is Joe. With ES6, you can accomplish the same thing as an IIFE by using let and const variables, which use block scope. When these are declared inside of a block, they are considered locally scoped instead of globally. So we can get rid of the function and just create a block with curly braces. And first I'm going to use var to demonstrate the differences. Here, var is still considered globally scoped even within the block. But when we change var to let, we can see that the name variable within the block is locally scoped and is not accessible from outside of the block. This has been a 90-second JavaScript January.